Establishing an effective morning pumping routine is essential for breastfeeding mothers who wish to maintain their milk supply while balancing other responsibilities. Mornings are often the best time to pump as milk supply tends to be higher after a good night's rest. I start my routine by ensuring all my pumping equipment is sterilized and ready to use. Preparation is key to minimizing stress. I find a quiet, comfortable spot as relaxation significantly impacts milk flow. A warm compress on the breasts for a few minutes can also help stimulate letdown. I pump for 15 to 20 minutes, alternating between breasts or using a double electric pump to save time. Staying hydrated and eating a nutritious breakfast supports milk production. After pumping, I store the milk in sterilized containers and label them with the date for proper storage. Consistency and self-care are crucial in making this routine sustainable. With practice, a morning pumping routine can become a seamless part of your day.